Just a few things to help you get started with your coat of arms project. First of all, obviously you need to make sure you have your Google Drawings challenges turned in. And then once you do that, go ahead and click on Coat of Arms and scroll down and open up the instructions. And you can read through those yourself, but essentially you're going to be clicking on this file here, and that is going to bring you to a blank file. It looks something like this. And there are 3 ways to get started. The easy way is to choose image, insert an image, and search for blank coat of arms, and make sure it's clip art. The medium difficulty is to use a shape and use that as your shield. And then the more difficult option is to draw your shield freehand. I am going to choose the easy option, insert image, and then search for blank coat of arms. Again, I want to make sure I'm searching for clip art. And I'm going to get started with, use this one to get started. Hopefully this will work for me. Perfect. Okay, so now, according to the directions, I'm going to set up my coat of arms with consistent colors and at least 4 graphics, which are illustrated clip art, not actual photographs. So, in order to get started, though, I need to separate these quadrants and recolor them. And for that, I'm going to have to use the polyline tool, because the other 2 drawing tools won't allow you to actually recolor what you draw. So I'm going to use polyline, and I'm just going to kind of trace along the lines here, and I have to draw a complete shape in order to color it in. And then I'll stop right here, and now I can change it to whatever color I want. And here's a quick shortcut for you. You don't have to do the same thing over here. Choose your select, or press escape, copy and paste, and then drag this over to the other side. Now that doesn't fit perfectly, but if I either 2-finger click or go to the arrange menu, either way I can choose rotate, and I can flip this image horizontally, and now it's going to fit perfectly, and I can recolor it like I want to. Actually, I'm going to bump it over a little bit. My drawings weren't perfect. I got a little bit of extra space in there. And then, of course, do the same thing for the bottom. Another trick for using the polyline tool when you have curves like this, you just have to click multiple times to create the illusion of there being a curve. Every time you click and move your mouse, you can get an angle, and then you can end up something like that, which is not perfect, but certainly looks better than what the previous option was. And then do the same copying and pasting for that. So try to pick up on some of these shortcuts and use them whenever possible when working on your design projects. Good luck.